Today is March 17th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company doing a video of our Okk Machining Center. This is a VP600. We'll just do a brief walk around, and then we have a small program made to show the basic functions. And if there are any questions after the video, please feel free to contact us. You can reach us through our website at hildebrandmachinery.com. The wiring here is for fourth axis. The machine does have the fourth axis drive and wiring. Now, the way it's done, the fourth axis is only good for this pallet. It is not, you would probably have to move the wiring to the other side if you wanted a fourth axis on the other side. Not sure what that would entail, but currently, as the machine is configured and would be sold, it will have fourth axis capability on this pallet that is currently showing, and that's it. Some of the feet, the books for the machine. This is our spec. The chip conveyor and augers are plugged in and functional. The exposed wires you see here are coolant. We undo the coolant pumps, that way they don't run dry, so we don't damage them. This is the isolation transformer for this machine. The backside's a little tight here, so I'm sorry if I can't get a good shot. Lubrication, hydraulic. You'll see a fifth axis button there. This machine does not have a fifth axis. There's no wiring, no drive. That's just simply how the manufacturers print one generic panel for all our machine tools. All right, we're gonna queue up our program here. We're running at 1,000 RPM. That first part was just to demonstrate how the rapids sound. That is 3,000 RPM. We're jumping to 4. We're just going to feed up and down and jump up. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, and 12,000. And that is the end of our program and the end of our video. So if there are any questions, as I said, please feel free to contact us at Hildebrand Machinery Company, and we will be happy to help.